Well, I'm back in here again. You may have seen my video of putting on the scallops and masking it and painting it, and I'm really pleased. You know, the tank's lovely for an amateur job. I'm very, very pleased. However, there are a few, not many, but some runs. Yeah, not massive, and to be honest, setting a low quality standard, I could possibly live with them on the bike. I mean, it's not a show bike, and a lot of people probably wouldn't even notice them. But I've seen a few techniques, and I want to have a go at just trying to improve where the runs are. The one I'm going to try, and I don't know whether it'll work or not, and if you're watching this video, then the chances are it did give me at least a bit of, joy in doing it, is I'm going to put filler over where the runs are. And I'm going to use very light sandpaper, and I'm going to sand the filler off. And in sanding the filler, I'm also going to be sanding the bits that are the runs. Now the idea of this is the filler protects the rest of the surface, and as you're going gently, you're only going through where it is a run. When you finish, you've got to machine polish it, and I've seen some on YouTube, and no doubt you're looking at this one, you'll have seen them as well, to see if it works. And if it does, then that'll be a brilliant way of rescuing paint jobs where there are just that slight bit of run. Because what I've discovered is, to get a really good clear coat finish, you've really got to be on the edge of it, just about going to run. And when you have, the lack of skill that I've got, that's a very fine line to walk, and usually you trip. Anyway, if you're watching this video, here's the steps that I've gone through, and you'll see the final result. Let's wish me luck.
still see it a little bit. You can't really feel it much now. It's a lot better.
It took a while, and I've done some more stuff to the tank. Sanded out the runs, both here. On this side there was a run as well, and there was a run in here. Machine polished. I'm quite pleased with that. I wouldn't be pleased if I was paying someone a few £100 to do it, but I'm really pleased. I don't think anyone's going to complain. I'm thinking of getting some pinstripes to try on it. That's the end of this video really. So if you do have runs, light sandpaper, wet sanding, maybe pouring a skim of filler on to protect the rest of the finish, as long as you've got a good machine polisher, and you can still get a very good result. I'm very pleased.